Yeah, I'm cocky, so.
What?
Yeah, man.
What is cocky? Cocky is a pipe. But
Yeah,
learn to
drink
read
what?
and write.
I'm not feeling nothing for the man now. Like I tell Pammy, you know.
Then you pull him down, back to me, please go over there, love it. I tell you, tell me, man, you blood them know there, no. God, when them you can buy stove. Eh? I mean, buy stove, put it out.
Hug me up, man. Hug me up, man. Very good, man. Hug me up, man. Hug me up. Hug me up, man. Hug me up, man. Hug me up.
Look here, man. You keep it you on there, you know. Chop up the back of the market, me see what you know, me see what that is.
Me see more.
Can't be no good.
Me serious more you. Like you call the police, don't get you.
A farm here come from me, no man, and there's some can't put one of them. Cause I'm the fucking murderer, I keep a cock apart. And they want to get rid of me.
But you know what? I lock you out and put in.
So press it.
I lock you out and put in.
There we go.
This one.
You don't give me money.
No, no, put on the money. We don't know what you want. You're so late, man.
Alright, she's a sweetheart. But how many guys you see personal with her? Like more than one?
Him not seen a man with me. Don't you not seen a man with me?
No.
Okay, him not seen a man with me.
The cover.
Jerome!
Yeah, the man that come and give money. 1 million man love Bella.
Yes.
Everything you bought me, them want
Yeah.
love her Bella.
Right.
And then me tell Bella say, them want for love her. Me say, you have money.
Right,
2
good.
million to sex
Good,
her.
that's it.
How
How much?
2 million US.
US.
Yeah, because me a pimp, you know.
Jerry, give me five, Jerry. Give me five, Yes, Jerry. Yes, Jerry. I love Jerry.
And then they fuck like to at
I
them
love
door.
Jerry. Jerry's the
And
best.
she about to me kick out that when the money better up on the dresser. Give me that, I'm grab it. I'm gone with me girl. So yeah, make you fuck your boy. So remember all who want fuck Bella.
Okay.
2 million US.
2 million. But that's a lot, Jerry.
The girl they love me bad, I tell me mad. Well, I don't know what the woman me say me love them bad. The way me love woman me say me start get mad. Me don't have to go a road and go jump like frog. Because the girl them love me so them bad. Well, pretty girl in the garden man I you me I go love. Me love in me heart I get still like a club. Me have to get a girl have to go dance over dub. Mind the kind of style they have to rub. Bro, me love the girl them bad, me have to put up in it. And give thanks and praise to Susie and Pam. What about the girl where they call Shelly and now I go check the girl name on. Well, me touching on the road, the girl them drive on me van. And you can't come down, me say trip from England. Me say the for the woman them where they are German. Me never say the for John, not need a car. Lord, you understand? And when the plane land up here, girl in the stand. And enough of them I say, you got good ambition. I got the girl name Ann.
Club. Me I got a club Saturday.
Bella go there to any.
Yeah, man.
Oh, which club that with name?
I'm club with big girl. Me can't talk it right.
Down the country club?
Yeah.
Go.
Country club. Yeah, go. But whisper.
The go club.
No, you have to talk soft. Whisper. Go club. You can't talk loud.
Nothing wrong with go. Go girl, them sexy and nice.
But here what, Jerry?
Go
What?
girl, you know.
More you tell the pretty girl you say they enough link with no waist, man. That more you say.
Oh. No.
Yeah, tell them no.
No, man, yeah, but tell you something. You see, woman mind is different, you know, from how we think as man. We think positive, them all negative.
We know negative.
Woman
don't
are
do that.
mind man.
Jerry, stop that.
Woman is minding man. Hey,
Yeah.
me say no man that take care of woman, you know. I know she got there with a tramp.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a woman funny man, you can't tell them that, man. All right. She done fuck for 20 years. You understand? So
Yeah.
she really sex up, she up. So I tramp all it and fuck it.
Jerome.
You see that have no back of a silent. Girl over care. Come here from foreign. I tramp back carry him about clean clothes like him go rent some clothes, you know. A bum breed one too, you know. Him just go rent some clothes and go asylum
So you
and
think
tell
pretty
lie.
girl for there with ugly man or man when I have nothing?
Pretty girl?
Yeah.
Pretty girl, they're the ugly man, they're rich. They man, they're rich. Me see some pretty girl there with some ugly. You know what? I said the money.
And the money.
I said big house and all kind of something. Yeah, but right now, I don't care about no looks business.
So Jay,
Cartel, since him come out, you know. I just a Vybz Cartel now. You don't know hand of a nose. Hand of a nose, a mouth. You see? Vybz Cartel, him are the #1 in the whole world. Vybz Cartel. Remember in time you usually go in the studio and Mr. Wang, Vybz Cartel usually run come in the studio and say, oh, that's a DJ. You see me? All Spice. I mean, have a look on them one day, them and say, stop laughing and do the music serious, because music take time. I waste time, and that's why some serious music start come out with Vybz Cartel. Yeah, right now. I mean, it's just an ODC, DJ regular, from a long time, from them days back into the 90s. Convertible. Yeah. A ODC, you know.
How much you pay? Like how much?
Yeah, pay for a stinking nanny go up.
That $5,000?
Yeah.
But that's not good pump.
Couple like
That good pump gone over like you have to spend like $20,000.
you're
Get good.
mad.
See.
Top up this step and make it mad. But if you run on this
Oh,
step,
Jerry is the best
you
man.
kind of raise it, but I don't know about
But Jerry, $5,000 is nothing to give girl, man. That's not, she can't buy nothing with that.
She
Jerry.
dead hungry.
Yeah, but $5,000
She have nothing.
$5,000 can't
She
buy.
poor.
$5,000 can't buy.
She don't they keep my money, you know. This is where we live. Like Kingston Prince. I gotta stop the pay cheap.
What? No, Jerry, no, Jerry. Why, Jerry?
I don't have a thing for
No, Jerry, man. Jerry, 3 days.
Shut that number. If I need for last night. Hey!
What, Jerry, man? You come like politician, man. You come like Andrew Wallace.
Also, me ugly. Everybody pan on. Me ugly no blood clot. We ever the dopey way I walk, man, son. We ever the creech way I move, yeah, son. Ugly and 10 dumpling in our pot. You must feel like I'm and one. Watch out, me ugly. Ugly. Me not look no girl. I go want me. And look call me ugly like dopey. Man, I #1 on place. Ugly me. Ugly arm you can't find. Me just look up me hand from the menu. Triple 6 no we not laugh. Ugly man a pass you with the hands there so. Ugly me. Me not know what they do me so. Ugly like this Akazumu. They must have some fear of me. So no, me ugly and a cat yes. Meow. Me ugly and a cat son. Meow. Me ugly like anybody. No. Nobody no fear of me. Hug.
Wait for it.
See me and you for swim. What me for swim?
To the beach, okay.
6 saying I swim.
No, me and you,
6
brother.
you.
No, 6.
6 you even
Not me,
team.
no.
The six
That's it.
We can find
You
somebody
can't
to
put
sex
me
you.
on foreign.
We can find somebody
You
to
can't
sex you.
put me on foreign.
You want me to find someone to
You
sex
can't
you?
put me on foreign.
In the suitcase, yes.
Why
Ma'am.
you can't put me on foreign?
Okay, we could show you in a buckle we can show you in a suitcase in waterfront and then send you across the sea.
Oh, I'll put you in a blood clot rubbish truck and carry down a river town. Pussy go down. Suck your mother.
Hey, fix your top. Turn it inside out.
Eh?
Turn it the right way around. The inside out, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so turn it the right way around.
Wrong way?
Yeah, the wrong way.
Oh.
So turn it the right way.
Right way.
Yeah, man. And the next way.
girl style. I don't care, just feel like pussy work. Fuck you, man. I don't care, just feel like. I don't care, just feel like me. I care about dead pussy work, that's me. I care, just feel like. I don't follow you.
Anytime you chat, so no suck enough cock. Anytime you chat, so cock up in up on no throat. That's why you no chat so much. You no suck enough cock. It make you no chat so much.
Hey, God.
Cock up in up your wild pipe. Cock up in up your wild pipe. You more think cocky. Pussy. King cock. Whoever watch out. Go a car watch, go make them power watch your mouth. King Kaka. You more King Kaka. You more King Kawood. Kaka. You more King Kaka. You more King Kawood.
Oh, she like that. Scammer in she, oh, she like that. Scammer in she, oh, scammer in she, oh, scammer in she, oh, she like that. I'm Mr. Big Fat Market, full up her gate. She never hesitate, she been ready and I wait. Top chopper, she want to take her on a date. Laughter her and stare that in her plate. She run it pussy quick and she never make me wait. Fuck her all night from me wake up late. Tell your pussy good if you live at my place. 9 months time make your belly gain weight. Chopper in she, oh, she like that. Chopper in she, oh, chopper in she, oh, she like that.
Hey, girl, just jiggle for me, girl. Jiggle for me, girl. Tell a girl, jiggle for me, jiggle. When you get money enough, girl, just jiggle for me. Bend over on the thing, girl, jiggle for me. And girl, I get walking and begging, and jiggle for me. Money they enough, girl, just jiggle for me. Back shot on the thing, girl, just jiggle for me. Money, girl, want money, and body money.
Hey, girl, just jiggle for the rasta. Hey, girl, just jiggle for the rasta. I really take it to the dog and the pasta. Hey, girl, come jiggle for the rasta.
Where say Gilly, I prefer go with PMP and I go with Labour Right?
Me? Hey man, my grandfather was sitting on a top hill, so got prison. Buster man, to put him in prison, charge me high cheese. I can't work for Labour Right. Carol God massacre, Buster man, they say, if book can't hold it, Barnett Street Station can't hold it, Boog Cemetery hold them. Rastafari. Buster man, Miss Lambridge and Buster man in the right out of retreat, I say it's a Tamantia. I go speak to Miss Lambridge have 100 jars. When no poor people have not in one put on. The one you beat it, you put it on and sleep with your man. And by the time you put it on again. Miss Lambridge have one blood clot, 100 jars put on line out of retreat on some, I tell you. Tambrand, you know. Can't tell you. All who know, sir, I go to Jamaica, they have a party. Jesus Christ, God Almighty.
So in that time, the band then time, the
big man, I tell you what I want.
Gilly?
Master, come.
Who me? Monday gone me at 30.
Well, when we got on 72, you say we got on the you at 100-year-old is a companion. You at 100-year-old is a 50-year-old right now. I slap the road, me get blood. That British farm. One more year, me 70. You might say that everybody say, our food your name that you can't climb every corner tree right now. The longest corner tree you go to, so I don't do so. I thought you said, God, I'm going to the hospital. But why me jelly, but can't climb on them. The fuck, it's from Dennis.
So hear me I say now. Let me make sure I put it on the video for people that can know say. How much you have charged me for move the whole of them?
Well, I thought you were
70 of them.
I thought you were charging $1,500. You want to move them?
Yeah.
And put them where?
Put them in the washroom.
Where the washroom?
We're at the back, so we start we go upstairs. How much you charge if you move 70? Oh, listen to me, man.
Oh, yeah. Me charge that 2 grand.
That too much.
15.
No.
1,000. 1,000. Me charge move. Same time.
70 of them.
Me take 1,100.
1,100 for what?
That. 1,000 for that.
No, you can't charge me 1,000 for 70 of them and you want to charge me 1,000 move 1,000 of them.
Ah, me charge 700.
No, that's too much.
500. Me charge
250.
Who used to see you after 250? Who used to have you 250 blood clot? And I just said 1,000. 70 blood clot, I'm telling you, 500 or 1,000. You move them, and I was no, 250. How many blood clots you take, man, for you? You got 2,000 for me. I'm doing like 500 for you now. And now move them to 1,000. So good. Yeah, most me 5.
They will put that down beard with 6 blood clot.
Yeah, man. They like me 5. So you won't.
Which area you in? Where you live?
Yes, sir, me.
Yes, sir. No, Google say yes or not the yes, sir. So you got to do me a Google. Google say.
Yummy and reminisce on the ice cream.
Pussy, you say what? The pussy, you say? Oh, I'm the Rasta.
$180 Pawnee Dash.
You say you jump up on him in poop like a donkey.
Bang buck not. In 2 foot, them are going to look at the 2 light posts because I can't wipe her.
You all know can't hardly lift up your foot. You don't see man me there with one chang man we can lift me up. You can't make woman poop again. Move your ass and
It's so funny to you.
You can't make no woman fart again.
You look at you shit too.
How are you? It can't turn. What you going to do for
you? Go to the road and keep on the bed. The road outside and keep on the bed.
That's when you've been a young boy. You're a big old man. You can't lift a rascal.
You say no, you can't flick no weight again.
You can't do nothing.
Ben, you can't win under me. You can't win under me.
I 30-year experience in my talk over. A 30 year ago in my talk, man, I don't know. My people up right now know they go.
And you want to sex now, and you see me say, you say, give it to me. I don't know what time. No water, no agitate, Tarina. See the answer there. I don't know one time, but see the answer.
Yo. To the answer.
Me turn from my road now and watch there. But you don't say me nah go home. Me nah go home yet, you know. Me wait 1 extra 10 minutes.
Them nice and sweet. Look how the girl them sexy and neat. The girl run me down now. Say girl run me down. Anywhere me go, girl run me down. Downtown girl them a run me down. Downtown girl them a run me down. Half a she girl run me down. Me a pen girl them a run me down. Moby girl them a run me down. Anywhere me go, girl run me down. Anywhere me go, girl run me down. Tivoli girl them a run me down. Have a daughter, say me must have a son. Anywhere me go, say me money can't done. Rich who are rich, whole heap of fun. No girl them run me down. Whole heap of girl them a run me down. Whole heap of girl them a run me down. Say me bad and wicked, tell me bad and wicked. Anywhere me go, say me bad and wicked. Anywhere me go, girl no say love me. Anywhere me go, girl gone crazy. Uptown girl me say gone crazy. Downtown girl me say gone crazy. Watchy girl them gone crazy.
I'm in the moon, in the moon, in the moon, in the moon. Morning, noon, and June.
Me. Come right here, sir. Right here, sir. Down here, sir. Don't come in here. Down here, sir.
Yes, the boss.
You're not a fan, take a coke.
Then I give me sense that.
You need to tap, take a coke.
I give you a class.
You need to go home. You need to go home. You need to tap, take a coke.
50 chicken we get the smoke with.
50 chicken, give it smoke
I
with.
give back the laptop. I have 50 chicken up a yard every day they give me.
Eh.
No more I lock up. When I lock up Kevin and Chicken and spend my money.
Eh. And them.
Spend my life.
Oh, okay.
Spend my life.
Lego off a coke. You hear that? Do not touch it, thing called the crack.
You don't love therefore. The last time I fuck again, my dear mother go to nowhere.
Alright, Jerry, I don't have fire and sex now. Because me myself never want sex, yo. I would look fire and get one sneaking one. It's not my type.
No, not sneaking fucking.
Jerry, one thing with you love going like you know, do not
romance.
You love going like you know, you love going like you know, your days are too perfect.
No, man, a romance, man. Romance. When a romance, you know, man jump on and fuck with it like dog. Yeah, because I've been in a romance. I'm to the romance, I make a song about it, you know. The romance. And I play some nice soul song. And go out and have a meal, I come in and play some nice soul song, your romance. I tell you about
I heard this girl living at the girl them like it hardcore.
But I don't want a girl, I want a lady.
The ladies them like it hardcore nowadays.
No, yeah, mix up girl and lady. Every time I have a wife, you say.
Me say the ladies them want it hardcore.
Blood clot dictate to me, man. I go with lady to me, no lady.
Them want it hardcore.
I don't want none of them. Kiss for us.
The girl them say them like it hard.
But I need girl.
And core.
I need girl, I need lady. I'm more comfortable with lady. Because I get my romance in. I'm a rubber, my soul stuff. No, I'm here to the pan girl thing, you know.
Jerry afraid of
girl not have no romance. The love is boring with girl, you know.
Alright, the ladies them don't want it soft right now, so them a go for the boys them in the
hood. No, man, lady, alright, man.
The girl them don't want up.
Do I 4 people that you know. Girl, woman and lady. Oh yeah, mix them up together.
The lady them want it hard. And stiff.
You assume that.
And make them ball.
You assume.
Scream out. Melt out.
Lady do them thing that you know. Well, lady want a romance, they go after a massage her, rub down her feet. She scared, stress up now, she stiff up.
The girl want it hard and stiff.
I try to go
I just knock it so.
I knock it. Stop me, I stab her in her hole.
The girl them don't want a lover boy.
No, man, I get that talk.
The ladies them don't want a lover boy.
She gonna want another man Antoinette and Bridget and Dawn, Carlette and Colleen, Everine and Maxine, Francine and Susie. Girl a worry and a fret over me. Say girl a mad over me. No me nah worry, no me nah fret. Any girl me want me a forget. Girl a fly up on a private jet. Girl me want me a forget. Girl a fly down on a private jet. Say me things say she gonna want another man arms. I say me things say she gone. She gonna want another man arms. Woman a hold me, woman a scold me. Woman want to come down, want to control me. Anywhere me go, say me ever ready. Girl uptown and in a country, in a New York and in a Jersey. Anywhere me go, girl a mad over me. Girl a call me, girl a text me. Anywhere me go, me intelligence. Ram up dance hall and caco party. Anywhere me go, me a
Taxi versus Taxi Man.
You should never make your wife catch you with tack in your mouth. Batty boy, you can't style me. Mister, you should never make your wife catch you with tack in your mouth or so. You can't chat to me, boy. Girl, this way. Oh, you're so cocky. If you're jealous, you're so cocky. Oh, you're so good at you must be years together. You can't style me.
Catch.
I say I'm going to top chat now, you don't want to kill me a while ago. Look a murderer. My God, I say miss, you know, long time I admire. Then I pussy now, no? So much money to cap, I say miss. Like I have 5 grand, take her a fight and give me a fight. And pussy, please. She come and say, bookcase and walk around and say, yeah, I'm going around there. You say, me start fucking, you know? Yes, some go. Mr. Mr. Put my mood. Yeah, no, I'll be going. Mr. Make sure, you know. You say, I come out now, you fuck. Quick, clap.
Yeah, good afternoon.
That's my girlfriend.
Yeah, pleased to meet you.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
Pleased to meet you.
Oh, you like her? I
love her.
She have a sister, you know. She have a sister. Yeah, we're good to me.
Sit there, okay?
Oh, yeah.
I love that, Jerry.
Stop telling us I'm gonna get rid of your woman.
Pinky.
Stop that Pinky.
Pinky.
Pinky up on the live.
Oh my God. Jerry.
Get me that them.
Get me that
So
you will get a girl for you, Jerry, for whatever. Better not go allow that. Better not go allow that.
Get me Bella no.
Okay. And me agree with her.
Yeah,
because Bella love you. Bella is.
I love her too.
And she deserve you.
Yeah.
I'm interested in the pity part. You want to pay her and give her a nice massage?
Yeah, right. I'm telling you, you know I love her money more than she.
You know what?
I love Bella money more than her.
You love Bella more than money.
Bella 20 now.
You love Bella. You don't have to tell me her age. She's a young girl. She's young.
I'm a 71. When I do that, I got to face God.
You know, you say I'm big good.
Yeah, but the young
you say I'm
one,
iron steel.
But the young,
you say I'm the roots to me,
my daughter.
Eh?
Bella,
But she's a growing lady and she could be a daughter.
Yes. I want to sex, Bella. I never want sex. I said, my family ram.
I'm family ram that, yeah. Alright, but you're straight. But you say Bella now going to make you do no straight like you're jealous.
Let me tell you something.
Alright, man. The whole way of family ram?
Yeah, the whole way of family ram.
How is that?
Never say no. The whole way of family ram. All of it are you, man. You can't talk about family there. The whole way of family ram. And you come out of Adamani.
We are family ram. Now you go
from Adamani. There you are brother and sister, I guess.
Oh, you mean like Adam and Eve? Like, okay.
Oh, it's where I come from.
No, but we just separate, man. We are separate with families. The family, they cannot separate. So we can't be family.
We are brother and sister.
By God's side. By God's side. By God's side.
Come from Adam and Eve.
Yeah, by God's side. By God's side, we are brothers and sisters. But we separated in different families.
We separated.
So we cannot be family around there, no.
All right. There was something the white man said. My own grandpa find a song there. The white man sing a song said, my own grandpa.
No believe me what the white man said. The white man trick me. And they tell you all the time.
Hey, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Every brother and sister, my God said they will come from out of Adam. God said he met. Adam and Eve met by sex, you know. And God met them.
Yeah, by the dirt, by the mud.
Yeah, dirt.
By the mud.
And
right.
soul and everything.
Right.
And them said, well, I'm going to make one. But
why do we sin? Why Adam and Eve sin?
They disobey God.
How they disobey? Let me see.
Them said, do not eat that tree.
What tree? You mean the lady vagina? You mean the lady vagina?
No.
But that's what happened. But that's what happened though. It be the apple.
The young people them dead on this. We talk about the tree and the fruit.
Alright.
So God, now the God said, do not eat that tree. And you should die.
Bella Christian, you know, Bella know about these things and she know the right from wrong. Right, Bella?
Bella don't just
Bella, she's
Bella a liar.
No, she's not lying. No.
Bella a liar.
She is a church girl. She loves God. She loves God and I respect her.
We can't believe it. Bella tell me lie.
I respect her.
Bella tell me lie.
No, Jeremiah. She's a good girl. She loves her God.
Yeah,
Bella, I respect you. I respect when you go to church.
Bella a liar.
I respect you. I respect you. No for that jury. Jeremy not bet jury. That jury. Jeremy not bet jury. She's very blessed. Who's just a... Hold on a minute. What me not know here? Me don't know Bella. Bella, can I ask you a question? Did you usually go to party?
And dance.
Yeah, I was an entertainer.
You was an entertainer? Doing what?
Dancing, dance all over.
What do you mean dancing? Like the music video? Like the music video? You usually do those?
Oh, this is...
When since you start?
She start dance.
I stop dance, Jerry. I'm not dance again.
But you wind up now and then.
But don't wind up.
You wind up now and then.
Jerry,
Well, on a minute. So Bella is a little bad girl and not quiet here, I was.
Long time.
Me not bad. Jerry,
What is this
The
going
old
on here?
junglist now.
What is going on here?
You know, so me are going at the car.
Oh my lord.
Me are going at the car.
All the footballer them know you.
Because I'm popular.
Dancing them say me.
Popular.
Dancing them say me. Them know you.
I think
Give me a difference.
how long must stop Jerry? About 2 years now?
Me don't know.
You know?
Then
Me don't know, you know.
What do you mean I know? Don't make it true.
So it's 2 years now you're going to church or something?
Yeah, me I go church long time.
Oh, so even you gonna do that just still.
She just start.
Then I go church.
9 months ago.
Jerry, me not gonna church in 9 months. Stop telling
A year.
Me not go church in a
Come
year.
on, church go rave, you know. You go and fuck with
Alright then, listen to me. Jerome! Stop my nice people them
church and revive.
Aye! Jerome, change the topic.
Put me out.
Let me say. Jerome.
Hello, man.
Jerome.
No, me.
Jerome. I said Jerome.
Mr. Pamela.
I said Jerome. Jerome.
Wow.
Let me set you. Leave that alone.
Leave the church. Yeah, leave the church.
I revive. You ever dance?
I never gone New York yet.
You gonna find go dance?
Canada.
Aye. You know who know you?
Oh.
The guy.
So you come Canada? You come Canada and dance?
Yeah.
So
Edmonton, Toronto.
Me there Toronto.
Yeah, me the Edmonton and Toronto.
Wow.
I'm gonna go England.
Go dance? What do you mean dance? It's
Really
like
boy,
music
no,
video.
I-
Like I do music video and something.
Yeah, I'm
boy,
booked
no,
for events.
I really boy make me know I know.
Okay, nice. So you're a superstar, Bella?
Yeah, man.
You're a big superstar.
Long time.
Wow.
Me have dance, move, and them something them.
So if I play some music, right?
Me not have time for that.
Really?
Me not have no.
Oh yeah, Little John just told me. Yeah, big superstar.
Yeah, superstar.
I should have him on the show.
But she
one day.
not deal with music, she deal with movie.
Yes, good. Big business now, yeah.
Yeah, she now
to change her life. And
alright, yeah, what?
Me not like dancing again.
Right. But me like what she's doing now.
Yeah, but me like what she do.
I know. Me support her and big her up for what she's
But
doing.
she do movie. She do movie. Silver Fox, the one of them. She can do movie too.
Okay. Okay, and you can do movie too?
Yeah, they do.
Okay.
I was there for about 5 years now.
Nice.
6.
Nice. 6 years.
6? Yeah, we 6 years.
And I see a 6 year now you not have sex.
6 years now, Jerry now have sex? Sure.
The virus, no!
6 years. God.
Sex me! Now the virus.
Bella.
Me get a one sex.
Why you make him stay so long?
Him no want have no sex. I'm telling him I could go back road.
Him no want, but him say not like backward.
No,
him say not like those type of girls.
No, me not
him like clean girl, like something like you.
Him say want a girl with have degree.
Degree, which is
Want a rich girl.
You want a rich girl?
I want a big girl. I'm very happy.
But you like fat girl, like I see you
No,
one big fat girl.
no
like,
fat girl.
Me see you like have one girl when you.
Hallelujah.
What's your name? One big girl.
Rosalie.
Rosalie. Me see you like that. You like that. You like that. You can't manage that. She very big, you know.
That girl, big fat girl that pussy, you know.
No, you ever hear the song?
pussy tight.
A pussy tight.